The World Cup is here, and our African teams are really getting a hit kwa hii tournament. Now we had 10 teams that qualified for the World Cup from the African continent, our pride. Group stages, we did very well. Only one went out without winning any game, that is Tunisia. Now in the round of 32, we took 9 teams. 7 of them out, just like that. So we took to the round of 16, 2 teams, that is Morocco and Egypt. Now, yesterday, Egypt did the unthinkable. A few minutes remaining, wakatandikwa comeback moja safi sana ya team ya kina Messi. People have issues, but truth be told, walitandikwa tu last minutes, and this is a problem yenye imekuwa. You find our African teams, because most of them, kina Senegal, wame lose games from a winning position, maybe 6 minutes to time, 10 minutes to time. The same happened to Egypt. Wanaweza kuwa na decision moja au mbili mbaya zilienda pande ya Argentina, but we can't lose games like that. Now my question is, what is wrong with our African teams? Could it be the mentality? Tunaonewa, wengine wanasema racism, wengine wanasema water breaks zimeleta shida, but what is our problem? And now, as a person who is advocating for grassroots football where we develop young talents, what can we do so that we teach them? What is that one thing that we can teach our kids, those young footballers, so that they can learn better on how to handle pressure? That is number one. How to manage the game, how to stay in the game, like mentality and everything. Usiende game ukijua unacheza na England, ati England ni superior, that colonial mentality. What is that one thing that we can do to teach these kids so that wakifika kwa stage kama ile, they do most of the things, because tume lose bana, it is painful, tume lose games from a winning position. Now a few minutes to time, tunafunga bao, now tunaenda nyuma, pressure, tunafungwa, comeback inaenda. What is that one thing we can do? If you have anything to share so that we see how we can help these young kids, please